Okay, hello. Good evening. Yes, 晴你好. Today, yes, hello. I was going to close the class already. Right. Usually we have like 4. Everyone went off to holiday, I guess. All right. So, you're the only one here, All right. Anyway, hope you don't mind. We are going to enter our chapter. Continue with our chapter 7. Okay. Last week we are halfway. All right. So I don't think any of them are coming today lah. Okay. So all right. Don't mind me lah. So just I know it's just you alone, but hey, K class is still as usual. So all right. Last week we did mention what is acid and alkali. Okay. 酸跟碱酸性跟碱性. So we need to know what is acid. Okay. Acid 是酸性. Okay. They are sour. Right, they are corrosive, 腐蚀性. That means they will eat away something. All right, and then you have your organic acid, which is the weak one. Okay, 弱酸, 有机酸性弱酸. And then you have the strong acid, which is inorganic. Okay, 无机酸. Okay, that means they are strong, 强酸. All right. Anyway, and of course you have your alkali, which is the counterpart. Okay, the opposite of acid. 酸跟碱是相对的. And of course, these few ones, okay, if you want, you can read it yourself lah. Okay, so I went through this already. And of course, how do we detect acid and alkali? We will use an indicator. 我们要用一个东西来显示一个东西到底是酸还是碱. All right, so the most common we use is litmus. Okay, 石蕊. Actually, litmus is a plant. Okay, litmus is from a plant. Okay, 石蕊是一种在青苔上面拿到的东西来的. Alright, so they will change color lah. So not only we can use litmus, we can also use like your purple cabbage. Okay, your purple cabbage juice. We can also use hydrangea flower, your 绣球花. Okay, 绣球花. And of course your pH. Alright, pH from 0 to 14. So 7 is neutral, 中性. And then the lower you go, the more acidic they are, 酸性. And then higher means 碱性, okay, alkaline. So this is according to the rainbow color. Red being acidic, violet, 紫色 being alkaline, and then the middle is green lah. Okay, middle here is green. So anyway, since we have not many people here today, okay, let's just go to the exercise. All right, I hope you received yours already. I don't know whether you have received yours or not. If you have, then you can write it on your notes. If you haven't, then you can just write down the answer lah. All right, so I know you learned this in primary school, 小学学这个东西了，是不是? It's just that now you're changing it to English. Okay, that's all lah. All right, anyway, so number 1, let's look at number 1. The words below each have something to do with either acid or alkaline. Write each word or a group of words in the correct column. Okay, so let's group them. Okay, 我们分类哈. So number 1, citric acid. The name also got acid already. Citric acid lor. All right, citric acid. This thing is found in your citrus fruit. 酸酸的水果里面都会有 citric acid, 好像 lemon orange kiwi, pineapple, anything that is sour lah. All right. Anyway, next, cola. Okay, cola is your soft drink 你的汽水Coca-Cola Coca-Cola is acidic. Okay, Coca-Cola 是酸性的. That's why if you drink Coca-Cola a lot, you will corrode your teeth. 它会蛀牙. Okay, because our teeth is alkaline. 牙齿是碱性的, so 你放酸性下去它就蛀掉咯. Alright, so this is why cola can be used to wash toilet bowl. Alright, I don't know whether you have heard this before. They say if your toilet bowl, 你的马桶, if it is very dirty, you just pour Coca-Cola down, then you flush it off, then they will be clean. Alright, and then they will say, oh, Coca-Cola is very bad for health. Oh, you drink this thing, you see, that thing can wash toilet bowl. Imagine what it will do to your body. I mean chill 啊 ，OK， 它是不会弄死你的。Cola they just have acid inside, that's why they can clean very well. Alright, you're not gonna die. I mean, if you drink cola, if you drink a lot, maybe lah, you get diabetes and die lah. But most likely, it's your teeth that will be corroded. Alright, so next, lemon juice. Okay, so this is your acid. Okay, lemon juice inside has citric acid. So almost the same thing. Next, nitric acid. 名字都有了咯 ，acid 咯。this thing is strong 啊，这是强酸来的nitric acid can be used to wash your bathtub 这个东西是可以拿来洗马桶、洗 bathtub 的如果你的kitchen toilet tiles 很 dirty you can use your nitric acid to wash your towels. Alright, anyway, next, sodium hydroxide. Whenever you see the word hydroxide, it is the opposite of acid. So hydroxide is alkaline. Okay, sodium hydroxide. I think I told this last week. Sodium hydroxide is used to make soap. Okay, sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, 它们是拿来做肥皂的。Okay, or detergent 啦 ，detergent 是清洁剂啦。Your shampoo, your dish soap, the one used to wash your plate. What else? Your washing powder, the one you put in your washing machine, the thing is also made from sodium hydroxide. Very, very strong, very good in removing oil. 如果你的衣服那里有油这个东西是很厉害去油的。Alright, do not use this thing to wash your face 洗脸是不可以用 sodium hydroxide 的This is why we don't use soap to wash our face. 洗脸是要用 face cleanser 的你不可以用 soap 的because soap has this thing, it's going to make your face very dry. So no. Alright, next, soap. Same thing lah, soap is alkaline. Because soap is sodium hydroxide And then vinegar, 醋this is acid. Okay, vinegar is acid. Washing powder, like I told you, you use to wash your clothes one. The one is alkaline, 碱性。你的洗衣粉 okay, washing powder 是洗衣粉。And then washing soda, also washing lah. So same thing washing soda. So everything here is bitter. 这些碱性都是苦苦的你去吃肥皂是苦苦的。And then everything here is sour because all acids they are sour. Okay, so sorry, my handwriting is not the best lah, but 你看得明白就好If you don't understand my handwriting, you let me know I will try to write nicer. Okay, usually primary school year 7, year 8 handwriting all very nice one. When you reach year 9, year 10 your handwriting will start to go not nice. Okay, 开始潦草了。Okay, so determine whether the statements are true or false. Okay, 谁是真谁是假So number 1, all acids are dangerous. No, false. Lemon juice is not dangerous. Okay, you have weak acid and strong acid. Only the strong one, they are dangerous. The weak ones, they are okay. And then next, number 2, acids are bitter tasting. Okay, acids 是很苦的咩? No. Okay, acid, they are sour. Not bitter. Number 3, acids have pH value below 7. Yes, true. Okay, 低过7 lower than 7. And then number 4, acids turn universal indicator purple. Is it purple? This one you have to memorize lah. Okay, 这个你要记得purple is alkaline. Acid is red. Remember your rainbow. 红橙黄绿蓝靛紫. Okay, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. So this is false. Okay, it should be red. Next, number 5, alkaline turns universal indicator green. No, green is neutral. Green 在中间所以是错了。It should be purple, like what we said just now. So this is false. 错it should be purple. Okay, next number 6, alkaline is sweet tasting. False. Alkaline is bitter. 碱性是苦的，碱性是不会甜的哈。Last one, hydrochloric acid is an example of strong acid. Okay, so you might say, sir, 我怎样懂这个东西是 strong 还是不 strong 嘞？ Okay, this one, is it inorganic or organic? Hydrochloric acid, it's found in the lab. 在你的实验室里面有的 so this is inorganic. So inorganic is actually strong. So this is true. 这个是对的。Okay, so if you forgot, let me repeat this again. All the strong acid is inorganic. Okay, found in non-living things like hydrochloric, nitric, and sulfuric. 这三个是 strong 的。The rest of it, all these, they are weak acid. Okay, rose one. All right, so next. Okay, let's look at question C. Okay, question C. Complete the table below. Okay, this is quite easy, I think. All right, so let's look at the first one first. Okay, so hydrochloric acid in the stomach. Okay, you will learn this in year 8. Year 8 你会学到这个东西。你的胃stomach inside has an acid called hydrochloric acid. All right, if you still remember just now, hydrochloric acid is a very strong acid. 你的胃里面有一个很 strong 的 acid 的。That's why people get gastric. Gastric it's because 你有太多 hydrochloric acid 了。Some people they are like that. I mean, some people when they don't eat, when you don't eat on time, or you always stay hungry, or your meal time is not good, and sometimes you eat very full, sometimes you don't eat, and then sometimes you eat very early, sometimes you eat very late. So if you do this, your stomach acid will be not healthy, then you will get gastric. So your that's actually a strong acid in your stomach. All right, this is to sort of like a protection 你的肚子的胃酸是拿来保护你的 ，just in case 你吃到很肮脏的东西，所以它就帮你 kill 掉那些 germs 咯。All right, so pH value, acid is lower than 7, right? 一定是低过7的So here there's only one here, pH 1 7 is not, 7 is neutral. 8, 10, 13, they are all alkaline. So 答案只有一个，就是 pH 1. Right, pH 1. Color of universal indicator. Color, very acidic, right? So it's for sure red. 一定是红色的，因为它是 strong acid. Okay, 它是 strong acid. And then 它是 acid alkaline 还是 neutral 它是 strong acid. 这里有两个 strong acid. So we take one strong acid. Okay, easy If you don't understand, you ask 不要害羞记得要问如果不明白的话。Okay, next, smelling salt. This is called ammonia. Okay, funny thing about this ammonia 其实 ammonia 在哪里找到嘞 ？ammonia 是在你的尿里面有的。那个尿臭臭的味道 ，OK， the pee smell 那个就是 ammonia， 那个就是 ammonia。When you walk into a toilet, that pees, when you walk into public toilet, very dirty public toilet, you will smell this ammonia lah. Alright, sometimes when you faint 你晕掉了那些ambulance 来他要给你醒他就是给你嗅这个 salt 了，给你嗅 ammonia， 给你嗅尿味。你就讲why sir, why do we need to smell this thing Because when smelling this thing, it will make you wake up. Don't ask me why, okay? Because that's the way it is. So this thing is actually a weak alkaline. 它是一个弱碱性来的。I don't know whether it's shown here. But then ammonia, okay, it's a fertilizer or cleaner. This thing is a weak alkaline. They are around pH 8 like that. 差不多是在8啦。So pH 8，pH 8，它是 weak alkaline。Universal indicator 它不算是 green， 它是 blue green。blue green。cause it's very close to 7嘛，所以它还是有点 green 的，so blue green 咯。blue green 差不多这边啦，blue green。I mean 不是 confirm not green 啦 ，because green is neutral. This thing is slightly alkaline, so it's slightly blue. So this thing is a weak alkaline. 它是一个 weak alkaline. Okay, next. Kitchen cleaner. Okay, 什么是 kitchen cleaner? This thing is used in your oven cleaner. Okay, this thing is called an oven cleaner. Don't play with this thing. Okay, oven cleaner. 这个东西很 strong 的不要给它动到你皮肤very very strong one 因为你洗 kitchen 的这种东西they are all strong alkaline 这样子你的东西才会干净拿来洗 oven you see how strong they are 你看他们几厉害from that dirty they will make your oven that clean so this thing is very dangerous. Okay, this thing is very dangerous. So confirm this is pH 13. 它是一个很 strong 的 alkaline. So color 是 definitely purple. Okay, very strong. So this is strong alkaline. Strong alkaline. 很强的 alkaline. Next tap water 这个 simple 啦 tap water 是你的水龙头的水 so this is definitely pH 7 中性嘛 and then 这个东西是没有 green 的 why is there no green here okay 啦 maybe blue green 咯 maybe blue green. Then we have to change this a bit lah sorry wait I think blue green there's two lah because there's one more dark blue here. I think dark blue the one is for pH 10. Okay, like 我们写这个 okay, this is neutral definitely. Okay, 中性Okay, the answer is a bit weird here because there's a repeat here. 这个东西在重复。Okay, so 还是这个东西是分开 I think this is separated though. Sorry 我觉得这个是我带错了 OK, so should be blue and green. So 上面那个是 blue, 下面这个是 green 这样子就 make sense 了 OK, 这样子就 make sense 了 OK, 这个两个是分开的 Sorry 我带错了 OK, anyway, so dish soap dish soap is pH 10 definitely OK, 你洗碗的肥皂是 pH 10 I mean not until 13啦它不用到这样 strong 13 is too strong and then universal indicator is dark blue 差不多要到 green 了dark blue 差不多要到 purple 了啦 and then this is a strong 是不是两个 strong acid 的this thing should be a strong alkaline so this one we're not using 这个就没用到了 Okay, so easy easy this is just like your primary school like I said 跟你的小学差不多一样的只是这个是比较高深比较多东西读了 Okay, but it's almost the same thing Right, so if you don't understand, okay, good. If you don't understand, let me know, All right. In exam, okay, next time, in exam, I mean next year, if you are learning it one more time, this thing is almost for sure coming in exam. 考试你一定会看到 acid alkaline 这一课的。All right, next number 2. So this is pH value for 4 substance. Okay, 我们来看这题So 这里有 PQST. Right, pH 7 在这里 This is neutral. 这里是中性啊，所以下去就是 acid， 上去就是 alkaline。所以你看到什么 ？P is a strong acid, right? Because P is down here 嘛。And then Q 是一个 weak acid。Same thing 啦 ，S 是 weak alkaline， 因为它很 near to 7。T very up there， 所以这是 strong alkaline。So weak acid, strong acid, weak alkaline, strong alkaline. So based on the above diagram, compare 它要你比较acidic properties of P and Q 它要你 compare 这两个。Okay, so 怎样 compare 呢 ？P is strong P is strong， 它要你 compare properties. So P has stronger acidic properties than Q。你要写到 comparison， 你要比较到就可以了，谁 stronger than 谁。Alright, so 不要写到这样P is stronger stop 很多人会 stop 在这边的，他不要写完他就 OK，P is stronger than who complete the question So next 这个也是 same thing S and T is stronger right so T has stronger alkaline properties than S 这个 dot 就是写回上面 copy down copy back same thing because I don't want to repeat OK 我不要写两次因为太麻烦太浪费时间了 so OK we use this symbol OK so 这个学起来改次你去到year 7 year 8 year 9会用到的你 copy 回就是写 dot 这样你就 save time 了 Alright anyway B which two substance when mixed will change the color of universal indicator to green green 就是 neutral 咯 OK green 就是 neutral 咯 so 谁加谁会是 neutral of course 如果你用 weak acid if you have a weak acid you need to use weak alkaline to neutralize it 弱酸用弱碱中和强酸就用强碱咯 OK 如果你拿强酸跟弱碱this thing is not strong enough to neutralize the strong acid so both needs to be sweet both needs to be strong so either P and T or Q and S 就是其中一个啦 OK 你不可以讲强酸你用弱碱 they're not going to do anything one they need to be equal strength so let's say 你用 pH 6你就要 neutralize with pH 8如果你用 pH 3你就要用 pH 12 to neutralize 这样子嘛 OK strong character fight strong character weak character fight weak character 咯 so easy lah next Okay, so next, figure 1 shows the reaction of blue litmus paper and red litmus paper when tested with 3 different solutions. Okay, before 我们 begin 先写下来blue to red 就是 acid always make it a habit 把你懂的东西先写下来 if not 等一下你会 confused 的 Okay, red to blue 就是 alkaline Right 这个是你小学学了的啦Okay, you memorize this in standard 4 I think 然后呢 OK 我也不确定了 OK, so next P 我们来看 PQR 这里有3种 solution So P rate no change Okay, rate no 是吗？是 rate no change 吗I think 是 rate change to blue sorry 因为它开始是这样 red Okay, and then this is funny OK 啦这样子啦应该是 rate no change 啦 rate no change and then blue change to red 中间这个有 OK 因为这整条是 blue 的这题有点 confusing 嘞 I don't know 他们是 dip 这里进去那个 water 还是他把 water 放在这里Okay, that is so weird. Okay, anyway, for Q 呢blue 就有变去 red, but red 变去 blue, sorry. So 我们就 assume that 中间这是被抵的啦，所以这整张是蓝色的，中间变红色 ，and then this is red color, the middle becomes blue, so this is red to blue, and then blue not changing to red, and then R same thing as P, red no change, blue change to red. So that means P is acid, okay, because 蓝色有变 red 嘛 ，and then Q 是 alkali， 因为它的 red 有变 blue， 然后 R 是 acid。哈，我觉得是这样啦哈，我觉得是中间被滴了哈，因为没有留两边变颜色，这是被变。这题有点奇怪。So C, based on your observation, classify the solution into two groups according to their common characteristics. So 谁是一个 group 的？那你看它 P 跟 R same observation 嘛，两个都是 acid 嘛，所以就是 P and R， 还有 Q。P 跟 R 是 same group 的 ，Q 是 another group 的，因为 different color change. So state two other characteristics of each group that you have stated in 2C. So P 跟 R 还有什么 characteristic 啊 ？So 它们是 sour， 因为它是 acid 嘛 ，sour， 你可以讲 pH less than 7， 因为 acid 是少过7的。And then for Q, okay, this is for P 跟 R 啊。For Q 呢，你可以讲它是 bitter, pH more than 7。Q 是 bitter 的，是苦的，因为是 alkaline 嘛。Okay, alkaline, so pH more than 7咯。Okay, acid and alkaline 啊。So 我知道这一课很闲了哈。usually OK 其实你是 around middle 才 join 的嘛。So usually 啦，通常啦 ，bio 前面我 biology 教的就是生物的东西，那些会比较有趣。And then when it comes to like 这边是化学 chemistry， 然后改次我们进 physics 会更闲 ，physics 很闲的 ，especially for you know for girls and certain boys but mostly girls 啦，会觉得很闲的 ，but which is a good thing 啦。this chapter 它闲 but 它 easy， 它 easy。But generally year 7都是很 easy 的 ，I mean should have no problem 了。year 8就开始比较难了 ，year 8就比较多东西背了。Okay, but that's all for next year. Okay, so E, in your opinion, why a litmus paper is less suitable to determine the strength of acidic or alkaline substance? 就讲呢，怎么我们要知道 acidic alkaline 呢 ？We don't use litmus paper， 因为 litmus paper doesn't tell pH， 它不知道这是 strong acid 还是 weak acid， 它不知道是 strong alkaline 还是 weak alkaline。好像你看这两个maybe P is strong acid, R is weak acid, but they give you the same thing。observation 是一样的，所以你不知道哪一个用手摸了会伤害你，哪一个摸了不会。It doesn't tell you that. Alright, so because litmus paper only shows whether a solution is acidic or alkaline. Okay, 它只是 show whether 它是还是不是碱性酸性。Alright, so 你也可以讲 does not show pH. Okay, 或者你要讲 strong or weak acid and alkaline. 他不知道哪一个是 weak 还是 strong， 他只是跟你讲它是 acid， 它不是 acid， 它是 alkaline。That's all, doesn't tell you about the strength. So that's why 在你 secondary 了year 7了我们不用 litmus paper 了的，因为 litmus paper 是给 primary school 的。It's too easy, okay, it's too easy. Primary school 都没有学 pH 的，你是要知道 ，OK, this is acidic, this is alkaline， 就这样 ，OK， 不用 pH 的But now we need pH. Okay, so F, state one example of daily life substance that has the characteristic as solution P. So 谁是 solution P 啊，跟 P 啊，谁是 acidic 的 daily life substance 啊，你 everyday 在用的。所以我可以想到的就是 vinegar， vinegar， citric acid， anything 啦 ，any acid 啦。vinegar 是比较 daily life 的啦，因为每个人家里都有。Okay, so Q 是 alkali 咯，所以是 alkali 呢，你可以讲 soap、detergent、washing powder and so on. Okay, so next, okay 啦，我们 discuss 完这个 if we can get it by today 啦。Alright, so next, Dennis wants to identify an unknown solution Y. Okay, so 他不知道 Y 是什么。He dipped red and blue litmus paper in solution Y. The results he obtained are shown in the table below. So 他就看到 blue 会 remain blue, so 它就不是 acid 了咯。Red turns blue, 就是它是 alkaline 啦。它 definitely 是 alkaline. So circle the substance we can represent the solution Y below, 就是 alkaline 啊。Distilled water no, lime juice no, vinegar no, detergent. 只有一个 alkaline 的在这边，一个碱性。So explain your answer in G， 你就可以讲detergent turns red litmus paper blue. It is alkaline. OK， 它是碱性啊，所以它会把 red litmus paper 变成蓝色。OK， 红蓝不要搞乱啊！我还有student会搞乱这个东西的、啊。It's like 左右不分啊，不要左右不分啊。Okay, so number 3, the following are commonly used daily substances. Okay, so group into acidic, alkaline, or neutral. So number 1, same thing lah. Bitter gourd juice, 这个是苦瓜汁。bitter already 嘛 ，so alkaline 咯。Okay, bitter gourd juice. Next, tomato, tomato 是 acid 的，因为 tomato 是酸的嘛。Orange juice, acidic also. Orange juice 也是酸的。Orange juice. Toothpaste, alkaline. 因为牙膏是碱性的。Salt water, neutral. Salt water 是没有 acid alkaline 的哈。we will learn it next week. Okay, neutralization we will learn it next week. So yogurt, yogurt 是酸的，华语都叫酸奶咯。Okay, so yogurt. Okay, yogurt. Next, antacid, antacid 是 for gastric 的。gastric 就是你太多 acid 了，所以你要吃 alkaline 呢，你要吃碱性去中和它。Okay, we'll talk about 中和 next week. Okay, neutralization next week. So antacid pill. Soap, alkaline. Distilled water, neutral. Distilled water 是蒸馏水啦。Okay, next. The following is a list of several substances. So 这里有 malic acid, formic acid, 还有 potassium hydroxide solution. 你就讲了Sir, 这是什么鬼的 ？Not seen that before 嘞 ，I've not seen that before 嘞。Okay, let me show you 啦malic acid 是什么嘞 ？Okay, what is malic acid? malic acid 是 in apple 的。OK， 它是 in apple 的。在 wine 里面也是有的。Alright, and then 什么是 formic acid？ 这个东西是在蚂蚁的。怎么有些蚂蚁咬到你会痛啊？呢 ，bee 也是有的。bee 你给蜜蜂叮你啊，你给蚂蚁咬你，怎么它会痛呢？就是因为这个 formic acid。OK， 所以你给蜜蜂叮啊，你给蚂蚁咬啊，记得要擦 alkaline 啊，你要拿那个 alkaline 去 neutralize 这个 acid。 So which substance has the pH value less than 7? So less than 7 是 acidic, right? 少过7是酸吗？ So 这里有我们的 malic acid， 还有 formic acid。 Okay, so fire ant 是 formic acid 这个你不知道不用紧 ，it's okay if you don't know. This is general knowledge 它是一种课外知识，因为 it's okay if you don't know. And then green apple 是 malic acid. Alright, and then D, Azura visited a factory that produces pickled mangoes with vinegar. Pickle 就是去醃了的啦。Okay, using suitable reasons justify the use of vinegar and its effect. Okay, very good question. 为什么我们要 preserve fruit pickle 你有吃过 pickle 有时你去吃 burger 的时候它里面不是有 pickle cucumber 的 ，OK pickles 啦 ，OK。So why pickles 呢？为什么要 pickle 东西呢 ？OK, pickling 是一个很 traditional old school way of preserving food 保存食物。为什么呢 ？Because last time when there was no fridge， 以前是没有冰橱、没有防腐剂的 ，so 我们就会 naturally 去保存东西，比如说拿鱼去晒干做咸鱼，或者是放 salt on fish to preserve fish。So one of the ways 是放 vinegar 放 pickle 咯。So 为什么 pickle 可以 last so long 因为vinegar 是可以 kill microorganism 的microorganism 不喜欢太酸的。Alright, that's why strong acid 可以 kill microorganism. Strong alkaline also can kill microorganism. So using justify the use of vinegar, 因为 vinegar is acidic， 它就可以 kill microorganism。microorganism 是微生物你的细菌你在 Year 7你不可以写 germs 了的细菌不是 germs 我们要讲微生物 microorganism 这个到时候我重复回 chapter 1 or 2你就会懂了。So 它就会 kill microorganism. So food lasts longer， 那个食物就比较耐久 ，OK last 比较 long。Okay, moving on next, let's go to question 4. I think 我们也是要差不多讲完了啦 ，almost I guess. Alright, anyway, let's look at question number 4. Since there's not many people here today, 我讲完这题 maybe 我们就可以 go off 了啦。Okay, so number 4. Diagram 1 shows a few drops of universal indicator being dropped into some tap water. Okay, so tap water 是 neutral 的 ，since neutral 嘛，你的 universal indicator 就会变 green。Okay, so 这个颜色要记得它呢 ，green。Okay, rainbow green is in the middle, so 中心就是 green 咯。So predict the change in color in universal indicator 就是 green。So explain your answer 因为 tap water is neutral. Tap water 是中性的 is neutral. So C, if this experiment is repeated by replacing the tap water to distilled water, does this experiment give the same result? Explain. 如果它从 tap water 是你的那个水龙头的水。So 它换去 distilled water 有 any difference 吗 ？Okay, so no. Okay, same result. 你可以讲 same. Explain 因为 distilled water is neutral too. 它也是 neutral. Tap water 其实honestly speaking 其实tap water 它是 slightly alkaline 的。slightly alkaline 的为什么会 slightly alkaline 呢？其实我们的水，我不知道你知不知道我们的 tap water 水龙头的水其实跟游泳池一样的。OK， 你知道游泳池有加一个东西的吗？叫 chlorine。 你有时去游泳哦，swimming 的时候啊，你不是有 smell 到那个 swimming pool 有一个臭臭的味道的啊，那个就是 chlorine 啦。OK 啊，这边放 chlorine 呢，因为那个 chlorine 是拿来杀菌的。OK，they want to make sure the water is clean. So our country do the same. Malaysia 哦，我们的 government 哦，to make sure 我们的 water 是 clean 的，所以它就会在我们的 tap water 里面放一点点 chlorine，没有像 swimming pool 这样多，a little bit. OK，you put in your turtle and fish. Oh, really 哈？诶，它不会死咩？They won't die 哈？诶，some fish 哦，I don't know whether you know this 啊，some fish 哦，they very sensitive one 嘞。OK，like 我不知道什么 fish 啦，but last time 哦，我朋友讲他有些鱼哦，他要放一种 treatment 去 neutralize 掉那个 chlorine 的，因为我就问他，怎么你要这样做呢？因为他讲哦，这个鱼哦有 chlorine 会死掉的，我就哦，OK，OK，there's such thing，right？But generally 哈，你也是要放一点点的，因为 without chlorine 哦，without chlorine 啊，其实水是很肮脏的。OK 啊，我不知道你知不知道啊。So never ever drink non-chlorinated water。哈，就算那个水看起来有几干净哦，不要去喝，因为没有放 chlorine 哦，它就会有机会有 bacteria 在里面，会死掉的哈。OK，你有听过什么叫鼠尿病吗？Leptospirosis 啊，这个很多人会中的，你知道这么吗？他们跑去那种瀑布啊。那种野外的河游泳啊，哦，他们就以为哦，那个河看起来很干净，应该是 OK 的。然后一去到那边啊，大家 picnic 回来了啊，哇，全部一起生病，哎，进医院生病，为什么呢？中 leptospirosis，因为只要那边有老鼠哦，它的水就会有 bacteria 了的。And just because they look very clean 啊，doesn't mean they are clean 啊，你喝下去你还是中招了，因为一杯有 bacteria 的水跟一杯没有 bacteria 的水啊，there's no way to tell。两杯是颜色一模一样，they are clear，alright？Just water 看起来肮脏是因为有沙 ，there's sand inside，different story。有 bacteria 是看不出的，so still advise you to put chlorine 啦哈，好像你讲这样咯，如果你不放 chlorine 哦，可能你的德德就死掉了。I mean 养德德好玩咩？养 fish 好玩咩？我不知道哎，I mean，因为我家里有I have 2 dogs 啦，so I mean我是讲跟他们玩 fetch 的，I mean 我跟不到德德玩 fetch 嘞，so 不会有一点闲呗？Alright，anyway，反正我有一些朋友是养 snake 的，I cannot get the point 啦，怎么要养 snake 呢 ？maybe 他觉得很好看哦。Anyway。Turtle smells bad 哈，哦，OK 啊，是咩？I thought dog smells bad 我的狗每个礼拜要冲凉了， not they smell bad 啦。Oh, turtles too 哈，OK。I mean most living things smells bad 啦。我们人类其实也是 smell bad 啦，只是我们有冲凉过啦。Alright, anyway, so the pH value of soil depends on the type of soil. Okay, so 那每个 soil 是不一样 pH 的哈。那 the table below shows the 4 types of plants grow on Uncle Chang's farm. 所以你看哦 ，different plants 哦，他们喜欢不同的 soil 的，好像 sweet pea 哦，它喜欢比较 alkaline 的，你看，因为7以上是 alkaline 嘛。Cabbage 喜欢比较 acidic，一点点 acidic。Potato 喜欢更 acidic。你看 orchid 哦，诶 pH 4很 strong 嘞。你拿 pH 4种 orchid 是 OK 的吧？你种 potato、cabbage 跟 sweet pea they will all die。So you see, different plants they need different pH. So why is optimum pH of soil important in agriculture? 因为 different plants require是需要啊 require different pH. Require different pH. 为什么它需要 different pH 呢？ This is to grow well 或者是 healthy。这样子它可以长得健康。So same goes to fish 啦。你看有些 fish 可以有 chlorine， 有些不可以的嘞。It's like fresh water 跟 sea water 啦。好像I'm sure 你家里的那个鱼是淡水的，是不是？应该是 fresh water 的咯。I mean 如果你去从 ocean 抓回来的那些一定是要 sea water 的。If not they will die。 Alright, so每个人有一个 different 的 optimal 的。Okay, so you know what? 这题就有点长了啦。You know what? I'll leave it for next week 啦。So our time is almost up. Okay, so 今天是 holiday 啦哈。I don't want to stress you too much 啦。I mean, most of them are not coming next week or most likely 我也是要讲我一点点这些东西的。Okay 哈，so that's it for today 哈。Okay, so金星 thanks for coming. 我们下个礼拜见啦。So happy holiday. See you next week. Happy Monday. Good night. See you. Bye bye.